ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. My name is Lachlan Ellsworth. I am an index trader, a very passionate index trader, as well as a graduate of what I believe is the most succinct and successful trading course available in the world. In fact, I think it is the best day trading course that I have ever come across. A number of traders have actually asked me to share with them why I do what I do. In fact, what I'd like to do in explaining that to you is actually talk about day trading and talk about exactly what day trading is. Now, I know that there's a lot of opinions out there in the market. There are a lot of opportunities. There are a lot of people that are saying, oh, I've got the best course, I've got this, I've got that. What I want to do is actually show people firsthand what it is like to trade. Not only do I want to show them what it is like to trade, I also want to make people aware that there are a couple of catches out there in the market, and it's very, very worth your while to investigate those catches and ask some very, very good questions before you commit to any particular day trading strategy. And when I first looked at day trading, the reason I looked for day trading is I was after income. I was after income because I was in a job just doing what everybody else was doing, and what I realized is, you know what, if I didn't change anything, then nothing was going to change. I was watching these huge financial markets around the world. The one I will focus on throughout the next 12 or so chapters is in fact the S&P 500. I was watching on the S&P 500 over 40 billion US dollars changing hands every day. And what I thought is, you know what, if I can just find somebody to teach me what they do, to show me how they trade, then I too can take advantage of that $40 billion per day. Now, my journey into trading started around 18 months ago when I was introduced to the training course and introduced to what I believe is one of the most advanced and forward-thinking companies in the world. What has happened now is not only has my trading lifted, but I am now what I refer to as a full-time trader. Now, when it comes to trading, why did I do it? And in fact, I'll ask the question of you, why are you considering day trading? For me, day trading is about not having a job. It's about not having a boss. It's about not having your day determined by somebody else. In fact, day trading is about you doing what you want when you want. It's about you having the money that you need and about spending time with your family and friends when you want to do that. A successful day trader should be able to trade from anywhere in the world, provided you've got an internet connection. So the power and simplicity of day trading is king. In fact, I talk about simplicity. In my experience, if I could identify one thing that is paramountly important to your success as a day trader, particularly if you've never day traded before, the key is simplicity. When it comes to trading, I believe one of the simplest instruments you can actually trade is a mini contract, and it's a mini contract on a share index. Now, I'm going to build your knowledge and build your experience over the next 12 or so weeks explaining this in detail. But ultimately, what I mean, literally in summary, is that we trade an index. It can go up or down, and we can trade in both directions. What does that mean? It doesn't matter if we have an up day tomorrow. It doesn't matter if we have a down day. If there's a high probability signal, we can take advantage of that signal. Also, index trading can in fact be exceptionally profitable. Also fairly important if you want to be a good day trader. Profitable, let me use the S&P 500 as an example. Every time the S&P 500 moves 1 point in your favor, it can return 5% on your money. If it moves 2 points, 10%, 3 points, 15%, and it keeps on going and going and going. And on the big days, I can tell you that the S&P quite often can move 30, 40, 50 points during the trading day. Very, very powerful trading strategy that is also very, very simple. Ultimately, if day trading is to be successful, not only has it got to be good fun, it's got to be simple, and it's got to pay well. I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, categorically that day trading is phenomenal, provided your instrument is simple to use and you are very, very likely to make money. Now, over the next 12 or so weeks, I'm going to update you weekly on how we are going with the development of our trading, and particularly the writing of an ebook, which is being worked on as we speak. That's enough from me for now. I hope that you find what we show you over the next 12 weeks very, very exciting. And if you are passionate about your freedom, you are passionate about cash flow, and you're passionate about no longer having a job or no longer being dictated by a boss, then stay tuned, or in turn visit the website at the bottom of the slide. Have an absolutely fantastic week, and bye for now.